Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best bike conversion kits, perfect for those looking to transform their regular bikes into efficient, motorized rides. These kits are a fantastic way to save money, customize your experience, and enjoy the thrill of an e-bike without purchasing a completely new one. All the product links are down in the description, so check them out after the video. This list is based on our personal views and factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. So let's jump right in and explore what these kits offer. Number 5, we have the Kunray Bike Conversion Kit, a versatile and reliable option for beginners. This kit features a brushless gear hub motor that operates efficiently with wattage options of 350 watts or 500 watts, making it suitable for casual riders and daily commutes. It's compatible with a range of bike sizes, from 20 inches to 29 inches, and even 700C wheels, offering flexibility for different setups. The DC 36 volts or 48-volt voltage ensures steady power output, while the installation options for front or rear hubs add customization for your preferred riding style. Whether you're looking for a smooth city ride or light off-road capability, the Kunray kit's durable design and efficient motor make it a practical choice for converting your standard bike into an e-bike. Number 4, the WenDissy Bike Conversion Kit brings power and performance to the table. Featuring a 48-volt, 1,000-watt rear motor that delivers impressive speed up to 50 kilometers per hour. This kit is designed for riders seeking a thrilling and high-speed biking experience while maintaining control with its V-brake and disc brake compatibility. It includes a 5-point magnetic assist sensor, thumb throttle, and a user-friendly SW810 LED display, ensuring smooth operation and clear performance insights. The package also comes with a waterproof cable for the motor output and other essential components, making it a complete set for a hassle-free installation. With its robust build and advanced features. Number 3, we have the Varstrom Bike Conversion Kit, a powerhouse designed for riders who crave high performance and durability. This kit boasts a brushless, non-gear hub motor with wattage exceeding 1,000 watts, ensuring powerful acceleration and seamless operation. Designed for rear drive, it's perfect for handling tougher terrains and more demanding rides. Its 48-volt system ensures stable and efficient power delivery, making it a great choice for long-distance or uphill rides. The robust construction and focus on delivering raw power make this kit stand out, especially for those who prioritize performance and endurance in their e-bike conversion. Number 2, the Bafang GO20 Bike Conversion Kit is a popular option known for its ease of use and all-in-one package. The brushless gear hub motor offers 500 watts of stable power and is compatible with both front and rear motor setups, fitting bikes with rear dropout sizes of 135 to 142 millimeters. This kit is highly versatile, catering to a range of bike types, including touring, commuter, and mountain bikes. It includes all the necessary accessories, such as a controller, brake lever, thumb throttle, LED light, and even an optional battery and charger. With a speed of up to 40 kilometers per hour and efficiency above 80%, this kit ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. The Bafang kit strikes an excellent balance between performance, quality, and cost efficiency, making it a top choice for many riders. Finally, at number 1, we have the CSC Bike Conversion Kit, a high-performance option that delivers power and versatility. Featuring a brushless non-gear hub motor with a wattage of 1,000 watts, this kit is designed to handle a variety of terrains with ease. It's compatible with multiple tire sizes, from 26 inches to 29 inches, as well as 700C wheels, ensuring flexibility for different bike setups. The kit supports both V-brake and disc brakes, making it adaptable to most modern bikes. With a 48-volt voltage system and a rear motor design, it provides reliable and consistent power, whether for daily commutes or adventurous rides. Its sturdy build and attention to detail make it a standout choice for anyone looking to invest in a dependable bike conversion kit. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more detailed reviews and recommendations on the latest products.